What's up, internet? It's been a hot minute. We have some very exciting news that we've been working on for like 3 months. It's been an ordeal, but we've got it. We're done. We got it figured out. I'm about to show you. Welcome to our 2,700 square foot shop. Big bay, bathroom, little bay. Unbelievably stoked on this. And like, we're gonna put a lift here. We're gonna build a little room there for customers and hanging out. We're gonna leave this open. Maybe put a lift over there. Have all this open room. Then we're gonna put a lift over there. Over in this bay. Excuse me. All the room in the world for all the cars. And as you may have seen, it's a name change. Risky Habits, Speed and Performance. We're gonna build race cars, hopefully. I mean, we're not there yet, but we're gonna be there. And the other thing we're gonna do is we're gonna rent out that space and have some tools for anyone who needs a proper place to work on their vehicle. It's Alberta, it's cold. It got to like -20 today, and chilly and snowy and gross. So we're gonna provide tools, a lift, welder, tire machine, whatever you need at a very, very, very reasonable rate per hour. We want to help people. That's the whole goal. Help people while we get to work on cars and big trucks, because Layne's going to work on heavy duty stuff still. Build a race car, build a fast truck. You'll see him in a minute. And yeah, that's the goal. That's where we're at right now. We've worked very tirelessly to get funding, and it's a legit business. We're incorporated, we're everything. We just got to get set up now. We can't wait to bring you guys with us. Layne should be here any minute, and you can. What's up, dog? Come on. It looks so small in here.
Yeah, it's not much bigger than that.
No, it's not. Don't mind that.
That'll be fixed. Yeah. We're back. Been a minute.
Yeah.
So this is it.
It's gonna be prettier. We're gonna tear into this because we're like 3 months behind.
We're really behind.
We are not telling you. Well, obviously it's an L swap. Fucking whatever. Chip's gone. R.I.P. Chip.
Okay, so the story on the Ranger is I bought it. Kid said the clutch was burnt out, so he gave it to me for $800. I towed it home, got it home, and I moved the floor mat, and I had a clutch. So I've driven it. I haven't checked a single thing, and I've driven it not really daily because I take the Tahoe to work when I can, but fairly regularly I'm ripping this thing, and haven't even checked the oil, haven't even lifted the hood. 3 months driving it, rat bagging it, fire it up cold, redline it at work. And Nick and I are sitting around.
I'm pretty sure that axle's coming out.
Death trap.
It's getting an 8.8 anyway, so it's Gucci.
Yeah, we're gonna go get Explorer Expo 8.8.
Are you getting this? Bet you that's the vibration.
Or no, because this is drum rears. What's holding it on? Just the fucking...
Nothing.
The friggin' brake drums. Probably. The shoes.
Yeah. If you put... Yeah. That's good stuff.
I gotta Snapchat that.
Got some fenders off. Hood off. Making plans for V8 power.
Where it's gonna sit. Where things are gonna go.
We're gonna pull cab off, box off, strip it, put the engine in with nothing to worry about, and then build around it is what the plan is. Cage, all the stuff. It's gonna be our show pony. Yeah. Here. Love you, bye. Half day in the shop, I guess I should have said. Half day in the shop. First half day. 0.5.
0.25.
Yeah, 0.25. Okay, love you, bye.